Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and we're going to check out waves today. You can see we were down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red weekly candles, and we finally put through the first green weekly candle in a long time. So is this the revival of waves? We're all the way back down to these low prices of the winter of 2020. So really, this has been a very volatile journey. You can see we had massive impulse and retracement waves, and since the very top to the current bottom, we've had a 93.48% correction. So why are we looking at waves? Well, waves get some big movement. It's had a 30.87% pump on the daily time frame. We're back up to a $600 million market cap, and I'm also liking the current supply. We've got a max supply in circulation, so this is really good to see as well. And there it is, the big price has increased. So over the year, yes, we are down quite significantly, but it's reminding me of these 2019 sort of 2020 pre-bull market prices. So I really think this is a good area to potentially be reaccumulating, or even potentially looking to buy some waves, because, well, really looking at the next pragmatic targets, the next resistance on the Fibonacci extension, you're going to be looking at an $18 wave. Now, of course, we've got many resistance milestones to flip again back into support. For example, we look at what's happened here on the daily time frame. You can see we were really oversold on this RSI, back down sub 30, meaning oversold on the cryptocurrency side of things. And it's only happened a few times for waves. Happened in January 2022, happened in November 2021, and it's happened now as well. So we're getting this bounce. We're getting a nice bounce. We've had a big pump to the upside. We bottomed out at $4.12, and what's happened is we got rejected at this previous wick here on the 25th of May, and we've been rejected as well from the wick on the 26th of May. So if we go to our 4-hour time frame, or 3 hours, that looks a little bit messy, we can see exactly what's happened. So we had a big pump, and we're just losing that support slightly. So this was a nice accumulation. As you can see, a classic sort of cup shape right there. And using our Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see just about where we are correcting. So we've just bounced off that 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, where we could potentially get some more, but no upside movement. What we want to see now for waves is, if we look at the hourly time frame, we want to see a retest of this $5.48 support level. There is a lot of volatility at the moment, so this coin is moving really fast. As you can see here on the 15-minute time frame, we're getting that rollover. So we're finally putting through those lower highs, and it's almost as if we're putting through a bit of a falling wedge here. We're getting that first green candle here for the 5-minute time frame. I would expect that we do get a bounce to the upside. This is starting to look like a bit of a falling wedge on the 5-minute time frame. If we retest that $5.48, we should get the reversal back up to around $5.86. Of course, if we lose this falling wedge pattern, the next support level is going to be probably around $5.36 from the swing low that we have just written in right here. So do look out for those levels. It could be a good entry around $5.37 if you want to get in on a swing that could take you up to about $5.48. As you see, RSI, we're ticking towards being oversold on the 5-minute time frame, and we're also ticking back below the 70 RSI on the 15-minute time frame. Now, what is interesting about this project is, yes, we've seen these massive all-time highs, but what I did not know is that they've actually got a master plan, a revival plan, because their stablecoin was also depegged. We can see the Waves DeFi revival plan, and I'm going to show you through it. The master plan to make all Waves protocol users whole and restore full functioning of its ecosystem's DeFi protocols. On the 2nd of April 2022, the Neutrino Protocol stablecoin USDN depegged from the US dollar. This was due to the aggressive selling of the token in the USDN liquidity pool on Curve Finance. Both problems are existing today, and they're basically looking to resolve this. This article will show the steps Waves DeFi protocols have already taken to fix the situation and why they were important. So we can see what they've done. Fixing the peg itself, they've solved the liquidity crisis, they've set Waves USDN EURN liquidation threshold to 1, max borrow APR all assets to 400, set daily withdrawal limits for USDT and USDC, adaptive borrow and withdrawal limits for the lending markets of Vire's Finance, introduce liquidity position, lock gain to a larger share of Vire's token rewards, and the master plan basically is that they've restored the peg and have a reliable mechanism and market of arbiters who are consistently working to defend it. They can reveal the second phase, and the steps will go like: begin buying and locking CRV tokens with 45% of the wave staking profits from Neutrino, and vote to incentivize the USDN 3 pool to improve demand for USDN. Liquidate large accounts, taking control of their collateral. Sell their collateral without depegging USDN to return liquidity to Vias Finance and reduce utilization rate, enabling larger user withdrawals. The last step is improve Neutrino architecture with a new recap token that recapitalizes Neutrino with new Waves tokens when under collateralized. So it's all pretty complex stuff, but if you do read through this article and really understand what it's on about, they are trying to fix a problem that obviously occurred in April 2022 due to the large selling pressure. And that also makes me feel quite bullish. So this could be a bit of a result, the price pump that we have seen, and we're starting to lose at support level now, guys, like I was talking about. Maybe we are going to revisit this $5.37 level, very possible. But this is why I think, looking back on the daily time frame, very, very possible that we could potentially get those bigger bounces in the next sort of bull markets. So short-term price targets, of course, for me, it's going to be looking at the $7.59 level as well as the $9.23 level, which is from the swing high from December 2020, the 7th of December. And I think, if you're looking to hold this project, the potential all-time highs in the next bull run, you're looking at $80 to $100 quite easily. So it is a good project to hold. If you do want to grab some waves today, you can use my link down in the description below at the very top to buy some waves or crypto, get building that long-term portfolio. Looking at crypto bubbles today, guys, well, it seems that Bitcoin has finally popped back through its $30,000 psychological resistance. Ethereum sits at $1.9K, so we're still trading in this tight range. We've not truly made an upward or downward decisive move just yet. Things are looking pretty crazy, guys. If you're also new to my channel, make sure you do consider becoming a patron if you want to lock in some profits on trading signals, as well as get optional one-on-one tutorials, as well as a free ebook and coaching and much more. Literally, I'll be posting lots of different long positions, short positions, right like this, in this kind of style. You can see some people already locked in some profit, so do consider becoming a patron to support the channel. Thanks so much, love. So a bit of news just before we go. SpaceX to follow Tesla in accepting Doge payments for merch. That is pretty awesome. So Elon Musk recently tweeted that Doge would become potentially a currency, and even the Vlad, the Robinhood CEO, he thinks there's potential in Doge becoming also a currency. So this is pretty bullish news for the whole altcoin space as well as the crypto space when you get people like Elon Musk talking about crypto. Very nice adoptive news. Bitcoin to set a new record, 9-week losing streak with Bitcoin price down 22% in May. So are we finally getting that little bounce that we're looking for? Are we on the way to $40,000? Who truly knows? But I think right now we do need to see if we can get a bit of upward momentum. I still think the 200-week moving average is pretty much inevitable at this point, and it could easily happen. So just before I leave, I just want to remind you to join the Discord channel down below. Make sure you hop into the best and most comprehensive crypto news insights Telegram channels. You've got 2 down below: the Learn to Trade to learn trading strategy, and also the news Telegram as well, B2C. So hop into those, guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and let me know what you want to see in new videos. Bye for now.